You just... Are you deaf? Go use your stupid bathroom. This... Wow.
Delicious fruits and veggies for however you help. Make it. I need to know if you'll give me a second chance.
I'm just gonna go charge up that battery. Where is the... Got the battery. Have to go charge the battery. You know? It's dead. And then we'll see if it works. Brand new battery. How the heck do you put this battery back in? How do you put this battery back in? Let's see. Clean. Oh, it's going, it's going, it's going. It's going. It's stuck. Wow. my god, this thing is falling apart.
Nobody beats our prices at Menards, so you can save big money on everything for your home's exterior. When it comes to
Just play the same music up. Just go back to your spots. Oh wow. Okay, so relaxing. At least it works. How do I shut it off? Let's see what else. Yeah, that's all. There we go. That's it. And I'm also making a vacuum search gaming video on the Xbox today. And who's playing with me next? Erika, you wanna watch? Well, Bumblebee can't play. Who Original can't play, and the iRobot Roomba can't play because it's a little bit dead. You can't play. You could watch. So you could be here. Bumblebee could be right here. That chair will be here. Okay. Erika, you wanna play? You sure? You could watch, it doesn't really matter. And then the iRobot, you know this, whatever. Okay, there we go. So yeah, stay tuned because I'm making the Call of Duty vacuum search gaming, so bye.